In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find your Discord ID here on mobile. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment down there. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually enable developer mode. To do this, open up Discord and you're going to want to tap this U section down in the bottom right. And then from here, go ahead and select the gear icon up in the top right to open up your settings. And then scroll down on this section and you're going to see an option for advanced settings within the app settings option. Go ahead and select that and just make sure you have developer mode turned on. Now from here, go ahead and go back to the server tab by selecting home and open up any server and find a message that you sent. In this case, let's go ahead and pretend that I just sent one real quick. I'm going to say hi. And once you do send that message, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually tap on your profile picture or your name to open up a page that looks like this. And then tap the three dots up in the very top right and select copy user ID. Now from here, go ahead and back out and open up something like a notes app or really any text app and just go ahead and paste it just like so. And boom, that's going to be your Discord ID. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.